How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get bigger wrists fast for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. First exercise we're going to do is a wrist curl. So get your hands like this and we're going to curl. That's 20, 21, keep going. It's 40, keep going. 50, perfect, quick little break. Okay, the next exercise we're gonna do is wrist circles. So you're just gonna get your hands like this and you're just gonna make a circle with your wrist. That's 10, keep going. Perfect. Quick little break. Okay, the next exercise is going to be a hold. So go like this and squeeze really, really tight. This works the wrist right in here. It's very, very good. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Another 10 seconds. Again, just keep squeezing, keep squeezing, keep squeezing. Perfect. Quick little break, you guys. Okay, we're then going to go back to this one and do our wrist curls. Again, this is my favorite one by far. I really like this one. It's 30, keep going. $50, keep going. Perfect. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.